My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to solve JAMB mathematics question for the year 2023. I have a question here for year 2023. If A over B is equal to 3 over 5, evaluate. Let me write out the question. 3B over 1 over 6 bracket A plus A. Now the question has given us A over B equals to 3 over 5. A over B equals to 3 over 5. It means A is 3 while the B equals to 5. Let's apply to this question. What is A? The A is given 3. What is our B? Beside it, B is 5. Multiply by 5 over 1 over 6. What is our A? Our A is 3 plus what is our B? Our B is 5. Therefore, let's cut this one out. How many 3 can we see in 6? 3 here, 1. 3 in 6, 2. Therefore, let's rewrite this one out. 3, 3 times 5, 15. Over. What remain here is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus 5. 3 minus 15 is going to give us what? Minus 12. If I say 5 divided by 1 is the same thing as 5. 5 divided by, so we are going to look for the LCM of 2 and 1. What is our LCM of 2 and 1? Is 2. How many 2 can we see in 2? 1. 1 times 1. Therefore, how many 1 can we see in 2? That's 2. 2 times 5, 10. Minus 12 over 10 plus 1 plus 10, 11. 11 over 2. Is the same thing as this. This division, you will change it so that we bring the denominator up. Minus 12 divided by 11 over 2. If I want to change this division to multiplication, it means that denominator will come up while this numerator will come down. Therefore, I'm going to change this minus 12 multiplied by 2 over 11. 12 times 2 is going to give us what? Minus 24, because minus is behind 12. Minus 24 over 11. I don't want to clean this space up. Let me go to the next page so that we continue from there. Minus 24 over 11, isn't it? Yes, minus 24 over 11. Therefore, to write our final answer out, we are going to change it to the mixed fraction. How many 11 can we see in 24? We see 2 11, which is 22. Say 2 whole number. What is it going to remain? It's going to remain 2 over 11 with minus, because minus is there. Let's go and check our answer whether we have minus 2 whole number, 2 over 11. This is it. Number C, minus 2, 2 over 11. That's our final answer. Our final answer is C. Let's move to the next question. Yes, the question says, question 14, correct 5.0962894 to 3 significant figure. When you see question like this, they are not talking about decimal. Don't misquote this question. The question says 3 significant figure, not 3 decimal places. If it's 3 significant figure, you are going to start. Let me write the question out. 5.0962894. When the question say to 3 significant figure, it means that we are going to count. What start it? The figure, we are going to start from where we see figure, not 0. Therefore, we're going to count from here. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is where we are going to stop. What is the number that follow the 9? So is it up to 5 and above? If it is 5 and above, you can turn this to 1 and add this to this 9. When you add 1 to 9, it's going to give us what? It's going to give us 10. If you add 1 to 09, 09 mean 9, 09. So by the time you add it, you change to 510, 5.10. We have changed it to what? To three significant figure. This 09 is the same thing with 9. Not that you just add 1 9. No, you will do what? You will start from 10 because 09, when you plus 1 plus 09, is going to give you 10. Therefore, our final answer is 5.10, which is B. B. Let's move to the next question. An arc 33 centimeter of a circle with radius 9 centimeter sustain an angle at the center. What is the value of the angle at the center? Let me draw the circle they are talking about. This is the circle. Yes, like I was saying, this is center of a circle. When you draw a sector, this is what they call sector and arc. From here to here, let me label it. Let's say this face is O, this face is A, and this face is B. From A to B, that is what is called arc or length of arc. A from A to B, it is called length of arc. Now the question now says that 9 centimeter sustain an angle, which is radio. This space from 099, this space will be also 9. There is an angle here. This question is asking us, what is the value of the angle at the center? This is the angle the question is asking us, which we don't know yet. We don't know this angle yet. Now, what is the formula for the length of a arc? Length of arc. This is the formula we are going to use. Length of arc is degree over 360 multiplied by the circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? Is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. This is the formula for the length of arc. Now, what is our length of arc? L. Length of arc has been given to us, which is 33 centimeter. Here, they have given us that one. Now, what is our radius, which is r? It has been given to us already, which is 9. What is our pi? Our pi is the same thing as 22 over 7. What is this angle? This one, the angle we are looking for, we don't know yet. We are going to replace this length of arc because the length of arc has been given to us, which is 33 centimeter. Replace it with 33 is equals to angle 360 multiplied by 2. What is pi? Pi is 22 over 7. What is our radius? Our radius is 9. The question has given us radius. Therefore, we are going to cut this one out now to divide. Is there anything we can divide there if you look at it? Is there anything we can divide? So 2 can divide the 360. Let's use 2 here. 2 here, 1. 2, 2 in 3. How many 2 can we see in 3? 1. Remainder 1. Add the 1 to the 6. How many 2 can we see in 16? That's 8. 0. That's it. So what can we use again to divide? We can use 2 again as well because we still have 22 left here. 2 can go and 3 can also go. Even the 9, we can use this 9 to divide 180. If I say, how many 9 can we see here? 1. 9 can go in 18. How many 9 can we see in 18? That's 2. Put the 0 down here. Now, what can divide again? We can use 2 to divide because 2 can go in 22 and 2 can go in 20. How many 2 can we see in 20? 10. How many 2 can we see in 22? 11. Therefore, our final answer, our final figure that we have left here is 11. While the down one, we have only 10 left with this angle that we are trying to look for. Therefore, let me write it here. 33 equals to 11 times pi, the angle, 11 over, and we have what down? We still have 7 here as well. Therefore, 10 times 7 can just say 70. The next thing we are going to do here is to cross multiplication. Multiply this by this and multiply by this. 11 multiplied by 1 is going to give us what? 11 is angle. 33 multiplied by 70. Let me go to the next page. I don't want to clean this space up. This space is occupied so that we see enough space. That's it remains 33 multiplied by 70. So 33 multiplied by 70. 33 multiplied by 70 is going to give us 2011 5. 33 multiplied by 70 is going to give us 2310. We are going to divide both sides by 11 because we are trying to substitute for the angle. Here 11 divided by here 11. Here 1, here 1. Therefore, how many 11 can we see in 2310? We are going to see 210. Our final answer is going to be 210 degrees. Do we have it there? Let's go back to the previous page to check if whether we have the correct answer there. 210. Do you have 210? Yes, we have 210, which is E. Our final answer is what? Is E. Let's move to the next page. Next question. Divide 101100.010 base 2 by 11 base 2 and express your answer in base 10. Let me write it out first. 101100.1. Now we are going to do was to divide it by what? The question give us 112. The first thing we need to do, we need to convert this to base 10. To base 10. If you see anything base that starts from the dot point, it means that it's going to start from the -1, -2, and -3. And this one that start from the normal thing, you are going to start from the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the way you will start your calculation. Because anything that starts from the dot, it means that it's going to show from the negative, not 0 anymore. It's going to show from -1, -2, -3. And this one that starts from here is going to start from 0, 1, 2 as a positive. Now let's convert it to base 10. The first thing we are going to do, you will multiply this one by the base, raise power what is above it, which is 5. Say 1 multiply this one, multiply by the base, which is 2. What is under the 1? 5. Plus it together. 0 multiply by the 2. 0 multiply by the 2. Let me bracket it so that there will not be a confusion. What is under the 0? 4. Plus again. What is after it? 1. 1 multiply by the base. What is under the base? 3. 3 at the top. Plus again. 1 again under the 2. 1 multiply by the base. What is 2? You put 2 again. What is it again? Is 0. 0 multiply by the base. What is under it again? Is 0 again. Is 0 multiply by 2 raised power is 0. The next thing is after the dots. So we are going to plus that one again. That one start from the 1. 1 multiply by the base. What is it? -1. Plus is 0 again. 0 multiply by 2. What is under the 0? -2. Plus 1 multiply by the base. What is under the -3? Now, let's add this thing up. If you look at the 0, 0, 1, the one that start with 0 multiplied by 2, you know that everything is 0 already. This one has cancelled out. This one's cancelled out. This one, anything 0 is 0. Now, this one too also is 0. Let's cancel it out. This one has cancelled out as well. Therefore, the remaining ones, 1 multiplied by the 5 in 5 places, 5 times 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2, 32. We are going to have 32. 2 raised power 5, that's what I multiply together. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places. Therefore, plus what is next? This one, 3 times 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8. This one, 2 raised power 3, mean that 3 times in 3 places. 3 and 2 times 2 times 2. That's it. The next one, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 1, 4. What is next? This one has cancelled out. This one has cancelled out. Remain this one. Yes, the next thing we have here is 1 multiplied by 2 raised power minus 1. If you want to remove this negative minus, you are going to write it as 1 over 2, 1. Therefore, the minus has been removed, so we return it to denominator plus, what is this? 1 multiplied, this 0 has gone. 1 multiplied by 2 raised power minus 3. Therefore, it will be, if you want to remove this minus, it's going to be 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. It's going to be 8. Therefore, we have removed the minus. The next thing we are going to do is to add up all this one. To add up all this one. Yes, if we add this one up, 32 plus 8 plus 4 is going to give us 8. 32 plus 8 is 40 plus 4, 44. Now we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 8. We will look for the LCM. What is the LCM between 2 and 8? Is 8. How many 2 can we see in 8? 4. 4 times 1, 4. How many 8 can we see in 8? 1. 1 times 1, 1. Therefore, we have 5 over 8 here. When we add this one up, 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. It's going to give us 44 whole number, 5 over 8. We have turned this one to base 10 already. Now, let's move to this one, the next one, which is 1, 1. Let's go to the next page. I don't want to clean this place up. Let's go to the next page. This one to be divided by what? By 11 base 2. 11 base 2. Now, it will start from 0, 1, because this one is not dots. It's not dots, so it's going to start from 0, 1. From here, 1 multiplied by 2 raised power 1 plus 1 multiplied by the base 2. Therefore, 1 times 2, 2. 1 time anything raised to power is 0, it means 1. Therefore, 1 times 1, this 2 raised power 0 will turn to 1. It will be 1 times 1, 1. Going to give us what? 2 plus 1 going to give us 3. Therefore, what is the answer we got here for the first one that we did? We got 44. We got this one. 44 whole number 5 over 8. 44 whole number 5 over 8. Therefore, we get 44 whole number 5 over 8. And the question said that we should divide it with this one. Based on the question, it said that to be divide this one by 11 base 2. Therefore, we are going to divide it because we have turned both to the base 10. Divide this, for example, if we divide this one by 3. Now, if you want to turn this division to multiplication, let's say 3 over 1 is the same thing. 3 divided by 1 is still 3. Therefore, we are going to say 44 5 over 8 multiplied by what? 1 over 3. Let's turn this one to the improper fraction. To the improper fraction. Let me take my calculator. 44 multiplied by 8. That is going to give us 352 plus 5 is going to give us 357 over 8. Therefore, 357 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 3. Can 3 divide 357? Let's try it. Yes. 3 here, 1. 3, how many 3 can we see in The remaining figure that is left here, let me write it here, 119 over 8. That's 8. Therefore, we are going to turn this one into mixed fraction. How many 8 can we see in 119? We are going to see 14 times remainder 7 over 8. This is our final answer. Let's go back to the previous page to check our answer out. 14 whole number 7 over 8. 14 whole number 7 over 8. Our answer is E. E. Let's move to the next question. Yes, the Venn diagram above indicate that the number of students offering economy, geography, and history are 40, 25, and 32 respectively. Of these, 30 students offer only economy, while 25 offer history only. How many students offer geography only? Now we have the diagram. This circle that we circle like E is the total of the people that offer E. What is our E? Economy. The total circle we draw here, G, represent the total of the one that offer geography, H, history. Now, the question said that number of the students that did this is 40, 25, and 32. Let's first begin with the students that offer 2 subjects at a time. Of this, 30 students offer only economics. So, only the student that offer only economics is 30. Let me write the 30 here. This 30, you will see that it did not include the geography. It stay alone outside in between. And again, while 25 offer history only, 25 offer, you will see that the history only that offer is 25, while economy is 30 only. And the question now say that how many students offer geography only? It means that the person that will be here only X that did not include the economics and did not offer the history as well. How are we going to solve this one out? There's a way we are going to solve this one out. To solve this one out, if you look at economics, the total of people that offer economics are what? 40. 40. If everything, all the people that offer economy are 40, and we were told that 30 offer only economy. So the people that offer both economy and geography that enter in between here will be what? 10. 10. Therefore, because of this 40, because total of the people that offer the economy, they are all 40. We were told that only people that offer only economy is 30, and the people that offer both economy and geography are 10. We have discovered that this one will be 10 because the total of people that did economy are now 40. Again, let's move to the geography. We were told, don't let us move to geography because we don't know the one in the middle yet. Let's move to the one that did history. How many people did history? 32. Those people that offer history are what? 32. Therefore, if they are all 32, we were told that only people that did only history are 25. Who then offer did history and geography? We are going to do what? Minus 25 so that we know the number of people that offer history and geography. How many? 2 minus 5, impossible. Borrow 1 from here, making 12. 12 minus 5 is going to give, okay, it's going to give us 7. It means that the people that did history, the history and the geography, they are what? They are 7. 7 people that did history and geography. They are 7 because the total of people that did history are 32. Therefore, we have known the only people that did only history is 25. The difference between them is 7. Therefore, now the geography, we have known the number of people that did both economy and geography, which are 10. The people that did geography and history are 7. And we were told that the people that did the geography subjects are what? Are 25. The total are what? 25. People that did geography are 25. The people that did economy and geography are 10. We have no 10 already. And the people that did history and geography, again, 7. They are all 17. Therefore, to know the people that did only geography, we are going to remove 17 out of 25. It's going to give us what? 8. 8. We just say only people that did geography only is going to be 25 minus 17. This 7 and 10, because the total of people that did geography, they are all 25, and we know that history and geography is 7, economy and geography are 10. To know only the people that did geography, 25 minus 17 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 8. The final answer is 8, which is B. B. Let's move to the next question. A man walked 2 kilometers due east and then 4 kilometers due south. Find correct to the nearest degree. Is bearing from its original. Now let's draw the bearing. This face is north, this face is south, this face is west, and this is east. And the man walked 2 kilometers east. Let's draw it. 2 kilometers east. 2 kilometers east. And the question say, then, when the question say then, it means that continuation where e stop. Let me put 2 kilometers. This is the first walk. Then, so continuation where the man stop here. Then e walk 4 kilometers south, which is downward. Down. This is 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. Now the question is asking on one question. E said find correct to the nearest degree. Is bearing from its original position. Therefore, its bearing, we will now join where e stop from the starting point. We join it together like this. We join this one together. This one is like this. Therefore, if you look at this face is 90 degree, angle of right angle. Now, what the angle is asking us that the bearing from its original, if you look from here to here is 90 degree. Therefore, the bearing the question is asking us is that from here to here is 90 already, which is 90 degree. But from here to here, the inner angle, we don't know that one yet. Let's look for this one to calculate this one. There's something we call SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA is the one that we use to discover is it tan you will use or cosine or sine rule. 9. Now, SOHCAHTOA. This so represents opposite over hypotenuse. This one represents adjacent over hypotenuse. And this toa represents opposite over adjacent. OA, opposite, adjacent. This one adjacent over hypotenuse. This one opposite over hypotenuse. Now, if you look at this question, the down one here where you see 90 and angle, it is called adjacent. While this side is called opposite. The longest one is called hypotenuse. Now, we see O and A. O and A, which is, what is our opposite? Our opposite is 4 kilometers, the man walk. What is our adjacent? The 2. Therefore, we are going to use this term 4 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Now, let's look for this one. What is tan 2? Let's press our calculator to get this one. Shift tan. Yes, the tan 2 is going to give us 63.43 degree. And the question say find correct to the nearest degree. Nearest degree. Therefore, the final answer will be 63 degree. 4 is not up to 5. 63 degree. Here will now be 63 degree. You know, from here to here is 90 already, 90 degree. And the inner angle one is 63. Therefore, the total bearing, the question is asking us from the origin. Here, this is where it starts, origin, starting point. Therefore, we are going to look for the bearing. The total bearing is now going to give us from its origin 90 degree plus 63 degree is going to give us 153 degree. Therefore, the total bearing from here to here that form this line from its origin down to the destination where it stop, that is the bearing the question is asking us. 90 plus 63 is going to give us 153. Our answer is D. D. Let's move to the next question. Simplify this. Simplify. Let me write out the question. 3 minus 2 divided by 4 over 5 plus 1 over 2. Now, let's begin to calculate. BODMAS to open the brackets. To change this division to multiplication, it means when we change this division to multiplication, the numerator will come down while the denominator will come up. Therefore, change it to this one. 5 will come up and 4 will come down plus 1 over 2. Here is multiplication. When you have multiplication, you can divide. But this one, if you have something like this, minus here, you cannot divide from here and go to the minus. No, that's not the rules of BODMAS. Wherever you see multiplication, you are good to divide. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Our final answer here is 5 over 2. Therefore, we are going to write 3 minus 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Let me draw a line here. Now we look for the LCM. When you see something like this one does not have any denominator. It's the same thing as putting 1. 3 divided by 1 is the same thing as 3. It's going to give you 3. What is the LCM of 1, 2, 2? The LCM is 2. Something that can divide the 3 of them. Now let me put 2. Therefore, how many 1 here under this 3 can you see in 2? You can see 2. How many 1 can we see in 2? 2. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Minus. How many 2 can you see in 2? 1. 1 times 5, 5. How many 2 can you see in 2? 1. 1 times 1, 1. Therefore, 6 minus 5, that's 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, 2 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Our final answer will be 1. Do we have 1 there? Yes, our final answer is what? D. D. Let's move to the next question. If 560 naira 70 kobo is shared in the ratio of 7:1, what is the smallest share in the ratio? This is the ratio to 1. The smaller one is what? 1. You add everything together. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Therefore, the fraction for the person that received the smallest one is 1. Now give us 1 over 10 multiplied by 560.7. Now let's multiply this together. 1 multiplied by 560.70 divided by 10. When you divide this one by 10, you can press your calculator, but it's going to give us what? It's going to give us 56.07. 56.07, 560.7 divided by 10 is going to give us 56.07, because anything divided by 10, you just need to do what? To stop at the last one to put the point, which is 56, and put your what? Put your dots. The remaining one will now be 56 dot, what is the next digit? 07. Anything divided by 10 is only one digit after 0, the last one, just put your dot. Therefore, what is our final answer here? 56.06. This is it. E. Our final answer is E. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.